So what's one of the coolest things you can do on your birthday? Well, fly your favorite airplane. This military trainer was used all throughout World War II by the U.S. Army Air Forces, the U.S. Navy, and the Royal Canadian Air Force. This is the Stearman biplane, Model 75. At least 10,626 were built in the United States during the 1930s and 1940s. After the war was over, thousands of surplus aircraft were sold on the civilian market. They became popular as crop dusters, sports planes, and for aerobatic and wing walking used in air shows. I was smiling so much my cheeks hurt.
The canyon start to tremble and shake. Children of the sun begin to wake. Watch out. Seems that the wrath of the gods got a punch on the nose and it's starting to flow. I think I might be sinking. Throw me a line if I reach it in time. I'll meet you up there at the path runs straight.
It was an honor to fly this beautiful piece of history. Thank you to all our current military and our veterans for protecting and serving us.
To find the queen without a king. They say she plays guitar and cries and sings. La la la.
And a special thank you to Philip Webb for letting me fly this beautiful bird.